Okay, here we are, Sunday shop day again. So I got this side finished up, put back together, got the patch in the bottom, all seam sealed, painted up, put some seam sealer around my little patch there. Everything got ground that had to be, excuse me. And, you know, seam sealer in all the places that needed it. This side is pretty much good to go at this point. I'm very happy with this for the most part. Luckily, the front end, the steering and all that seems tight. I know the stuff's probably pretty old, and my intention is probably next winter I will put a whole new front end under this thing, but for now she's good. I got all my welds ground up everywhere. I didn't do right there because that's going to be underneath the headlight anyway, and I'm lazy, so that's two explanations for that. But yeah, everything cleaned up nice, painted up nice, put some seam sealer around the patch on the back bottom corner of the shock tower, and yeah, everything turned out pretty good. I didn't paint the entire rad sport because I've been climbing in and out. Got this side all ground down, painted up, ready to roll. I'm again super happy with everything. This guy here, I got a little luckier on this side. Luckily the the bottom of that little pocket in there didn't need any repair. So it was just a matter of I coated everything inside there with Pour 15 and then just cleaned up and painted everything around it. I got some seam sealer around my other patch here and you know, all my corners and stuff. Now this is where I put that top piece of the fender apron in. I took the lazy way out and didn't do the whole thing, but the bottom's in just like new condition essentially, so didn't really have to, so that's good for today. Actually yesterday and today I've been at this for 2 days, and yeah, again, happy, all looks well. Tomorrow I will likely be out here again, and we'll probably get these rear guys welded in for the rear seat belts, and just got to do a few little grinding items. Got to grind the spot welds or plug welds in the trunk and repaint that, and a few other doodads. And then like I said before a million times, I still got to do this damn floor pan just down the sides, really, inside and outside on both sides, and that should finish up all the metal work on this thing, everything except for I guess subframe connectors, but I won't be putting those in for a bit, and I think I'd like to put those in with the weight of the car on all 4 wheels, including the motor and stuff, so probably be a little while before I put those in. The intention moving forward as well is I got to clean up everything underneath now and get a coat of paint underneath, and I'm hoping to bed line the bottom and inside. So I don't know if bed liner is the right way to go. A lot of guys do it. I like the idea of it, something strong. The car will never see anything more than the odd rain, and that's going to be if we get caught in the rain. Certainly not heading out in the rain, unless I'm going on one hell of a journey, which could happen. So anyways, that's it for today. We will be back with a little more probably tomorrow. Well, hello beautiful. Another day in the shop, 3rd day here in the shop. Got a little fender action, fender bender. Had to just set the fenders in place so I could get an idea of where to mark the holes on my new aprons. But it's nice to see it like that. Did a whole bunch of cleaning up, painting, obviously, and things are looking all right in here. So there we are. Mustang, almost, not quite. I can't even really tell you what all I did today. I did a ton of stuff. So, you know, here's a fun part. I laid underneath the car with the grinder, the one that shredded my leg before. This guy. Of course, now I'm using a safety one, so if I drop it, it won't just keep running and shredding and running and shredding. But anyways, so I was under the car, cleaned up all the sections everywhere where it's been fixed and all the other stuff. And got that done. So I guess here's the outcome of that. I don't know if you can see me. Little dirty. Yeah, little dirty. But hey, that's the price you pay for getting shit done. Respirator? Nope, never. I'm gonna regret it when I get old. I just know it. But anyways, yeah, she's looking good. We're tiptoeing through the stuff. Still got a little welding to do, obviously, as always. The usual, the floorboards, the rear seat belt things, and actually, I can't even show you. I was going to show you something under there. Well, I'm not gonna. Yeah, there's one little spot that I need to patch, just a tiny little corner. I'll show you when it's done. But either way, moving along, still rolling. Yeah, we're getting closer all the time. Alrighty. So, that's it for today. We'll be back again soon.